Homeostasis is something that your body does to try and come back to a baseline that your body uses to survive. These conditions are necessary in order for the body to survive. And there's a couple different feedback loops that our bodies use in order to maintain homeostasis. One of the first ones that we see is a negative feedback loop. This is our more common of the feedback loops, and this is also something that we see that has positive conditions on the body in most cases. One of these is something happening, the body responding in a certain way to get back to a baseline. So a good example of this is heating and cooling of the body. If the body starts getting hot, it will start to dilate or expand the blood vessels, and it'll push sweat to the skin in order for your body to start cooling down, trying to reach that normal temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. And if it gets too cold, you'll see a lot of vasoconstriction, and this is just pushing all the blood to the core body organs that you have inside your chest. And this happens in a loop that way. So if it gets too cold, it'll try and warm the body up, and this can also be shivering. And this is a negative feedback loop. A positive feedback loop generally is something that isn't done on a day-to-day basis and can cause problems if it's gone too far. Blood clotting is an example of this. This is a positive example of this, but there's plenty of not so positives. As you have a cut, let's say, it'll send different parts of platelets and your blood cascade factors there to try and stop the clotting. And once that gets activated, it just creates a pause cycle, or once one thing happens, it ramps it up in order to completely stop that clot. This can also be seen negatively in a positive feedback loop with a fever, trying to give your body a higher temperature in order to try and defeat the bacteria or virus that's inside it. If that gets ramped up and continues unchecked, and get to the point where your body gets so warm that protein can start to denature and can actually kill you if it goes too far. Yeah, thank you.